Hi everyone, welcome back to the Fit to Your Core channel. Today we are diving into a game-changing topic, and that is how your mindset can make or break your core recovery. So whether you are postpartum or you're navigating perimenopause, then understanding the mind-body connection is key to faster, more effective healing. So if you're ready to get empowered, let's jump in. First, let's talk about why mindset matters. Your core isn't just about physical strength. It's deeply connected to your nervous system. So when your mind is stressed or you're filled with self-doubt, your body responds by tightening or even holding back from full recovery. But when you believe in your healing and you feel safe, your body can function optimally. Think of it like this. If your mind is full of negative thoughts, your core muscles may stay tense, making it even harder to see results. But with a positive growth-oriented mindset, you're priming your body for success. So how can you start cultivating a mindset that promotes healing? Here are 3 practical tips that you can use starting today. Number 1 is to visualize your success. Spend 5 minutes each day visualizing your core and your body getting stronger. Picture yourself standing tall, moving with confidence. This simple practice rewires your brain for success. Number 2, use positive affirmations. Saying things like, my body is strong and capable of healing, or I trust my body's wisdom. Affirmations are powerful tools to retrain your subconscious mind. And number 3, I know it sounds very cliche, but that is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness actually reduces stress, which is a key barrier to core recovery. So think about spending a few minutes focusing on your breath, using that diaphragmatic breathing, and releasing any tension in your body. So remember, core recovery starts from within. Your mind is a powerful ally in your healing journey. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share in the comments one mindset shift that you are going to try today. Thanks for watching, friends, and I will see you in the next video.